Hello, engineers. In this video lesson, you're going to learn about geometric constraints. You will have been provided a file that you can open up in Autodesk Inventor. Download the file and open it in Autodesk Inventor, and you should see this drawing sheet. Okay, once that's opened up, click on your Sketch tab here, and then just find when you move your mouse over one of the lines or the words, everything should turn another color, and click, and it should it should open it up, and your drawing tools should become available. And the most important part of the whole thing is seeing this constraints area. So you're going to learn how to make geometric constraints using these tools here, using this drawing sheet. So I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to go left to right. And you should already know what a lot of these terms mean, like what is a parallel line, what is concentric, collinear, horizontal, vertical. Well, you should already know these from your math classes that you've taken in middle school and last year, or even maybe this year. If it's okay if you don't know these terms, we're going to learn them now anyway. So perpendicular, we're going to make this line perpendicular to this line. That means that this line and this line have 90 degrees between here and here. This is cake. So find the perpendicular button here and click on it, and then click on this line, and you'll see that it makes it perpendicular. We can double check that by clicking dimension and clicking this line, and that should say 90 degrees right there. Moving on, make all three lines parallel to one another. Find the parallel button here, click on it, click on this first line, and then this one. Oh, that one is locked in place. Let me try again. There we go. Okay, moving on. It says dimension number 3, circle 3 to, let me zoom in, of diameter of 2 inches. Fix circles 1 and 2. Make 3 tangent to 1 and 2. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on dimension, click on number 3, make that diameter 2 inches. And we're going to fix, it says fix circles 1 and 2. So what that means is we got to lock it in place. We're going to click the little lock here, which is fix. And I'm going to click on the center of 1, click on the center of 2, and then make it tangent to 1 and 2. So this is right here. I click on tangent. I'm going to click on the big circle, and then the little circle, and then again click on the big circle and the little circle, and it'll make a tangent to those. There we go. Moving on. Let me move this 2 out of the way here. Make a circle tangent to both lines. I'm assuming that these lines are already fixed. I'm going to fix them anyway. Now I'm going to click the tangent, and I'm going to click on the circle and then the line, and the circle and the line. And now that circle is tangent. If you grab any circle by its curve, you can resize it. Let me make this smaller so it fits there. So hopefully you're kind of seeing a pattern. It literally tells you what to do, and these buttons literally are named what they do. Alright, it says fix point C and make endpoints A and B coincident with point C. Alright, so I'm going to click on fix, cancel, click fix, and click on C. So that is locked into place. Make endpoints A and B coincident with C. So I'm assuming these are the endpoints. So I'm going to click on Coincident Constraint, which is this one. I'm going to click on the end of B and click on C, and it moves it over that way. Do the same with the end of that and the end of that. And that's it. So I made the endpoints coincident with point C. Make circles concentric. Concentric is this button right here. So click on that. Click on the big circle, middle circle, little circle. Oh, the little circle was fixed. Let me undo. There we go. Oh, looks like it undid this. Oops. Let me fix that. Okay, so concentric was this button. So concentric means all of the circles have the same center point. Make lines collinear. Where's that? That's right here. Collinear constraint. Literally just click on the two lines and it'll make them collinear. That means they're on the same line. Make lines horizontal. Click on the horizontal constraint. Click on the line, click on the line. Moving on. Make lines vertical. Click on vertical constraint. Click on the lines. And here we have, it says, make an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle means that all of the sides are equal. So we have this equal button right here. So the first one I select will be the one with the right distance. So I want to actually confirm. So I'm going to make this 1 inch here. And then I'm going to click equal and make this equal to that. And this equal to that. And now that is an equilateral triangle. I can check it by clicking dimension, right-clicking aligned, and accepting, and you'll see that that's 1 inch. Right-clicking aligned, 1 inch. So that's an equilateral triangle right there. Make the circles the same size in the next one. Okay. We can do the equal thing again. Make those two equal. I think that works really easily. Okay, and then this one, last one says line up the centers of the circles on the same horizontal plane. So that one we're going to use the horizontal constraint. So we'll click on, let's say we'll click on the center of this one and the center of that one. It'll pull it up to here. So let's do that to there, and they're all now on the same horizontal plane. And that's actually a really great tool to use. Horizontal and vertical constraint. I use those a lot in my drawings, and I also use tangent a lot. I don't use the other ones as much, so I think the top three that I use are definitely vertical, horizontal, and tangent. So there you go. That is your geometric constraints video lesson. What I would like to have you do next is go ahead and, where is it? Put your name in here. So click on text, put your name in here, and then go to File, Export the PDF. I want the PDF version of this file for you to submit so I can grade it.